Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers, and we specialize in working with investors that are just getting started, have 10 plus years left to retirement, are in that growth phase, which most of you are. And today we're going to talk about the IRA income limits and deduction limits for 2018. All right, here's the deal. With a traditional IRA, you make contributions to it, and then you pay the taxes later. Now you say, well, how's that? I get taxes taken out of my paycheck. I make contributions to my IRA. I already paid the taxes. Well, you get to deduct that amount off of your taxes. So what happens is you make a contribution. It is money that you've already paid taxes on. When you file your taxes, you get the money back. Not forever. When you retire, the IRS says, now you'll pay us some income tax. So that's how a traditional IRA works. And what they've done is they've adjusted the limits. If you make a certain amount, if you have a 401k plan at work, then there are limits, right? How much you can deduct. So we're going to go over those now. Okay, here we go. So this gets a little confusing. I'm going to read this off to you, and then I'm going to tweet it, and I'm also going to give you a website that you can go and take a look at this. But here we go. If you have no 401k plan at work, let's start there, right? No 401k plan at work and you have a traditional IRA, then it doesn't matter. You can take off as much as you can deduct the full amount, the $5,500. If you or your spouse has a plan at work and you're filing married jointly, that's the key there, then you could take the full deduction off of your income tax as long as your income is under $189,000 as a couple, okay? When you get between $189,000 and $199,000, they do what's called a partial deduction or a phase out, okay? So you'll be able to deduct something, you just won't be able to take the max deduction. Anything over $199,000, let's say $200,000, then you can't take any deduction if you have a 401k plan at work, you or your spouse, okay? Now here's the thing, this is really confusing. Basically, as you make more, you can deduct less if you have a plan at work. If you have no plan at work, don't worry about it. And it's not a big deal, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this really simple. I'm gonna tweet out a website that has this information, which is linked directly to the IRS. If you just wanna check it out right now, you're gonna go to jazzwealth.com/IRA contributions, no. If you just wanna check it out right now, you're gonna go to jazzwealth.com/IRA income limits, okay? This probably doesn't apply to a lot of you because the people that I work with tend to be the beginners. They tend to be just getting started. They've only been doing this for a few years and they need the help. So just know that it's there for you when you need it. Don't confuse yourself right now if you don't make that kind of money or you or your spouse doesn't make that kind of money. Now, if you need help, IRAs, Roth IRAs, questions like this, they come up, okay? The numbers change every year. If you need help with that, then I would like you to consider jazzwealth.com. We're financial advisors for people that the industry doesn't want, right? People that, they don't make enough so that the big companies don't want you. That's cool. We work with you to make sure you get there one day. So we work with building your portfolios. We work with your personal finances, budgeting, goals. Unbelievable what we have coming up here soon. I'm very excited about it. So check it out if I can help. jazzwealth.com up at the top. Click schedule a call, put the local time in there they'd like to speak with me. I'll get a little better at doing these videos and I hope to talk to you soon.